Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the LinkedIn Analytics dashboard step by step. This dashboard helps you understand how your profile or page is performing, who is viewing your content, and how your audience is engaging with your posts. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to LinkedIn or launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile or your company page depending on what you want to analyze. If you're using a personal profile, scroll down to the Analytics section on your dashboard. If you're managing a company page, click on Analytics from the top menu. Inside the Analytics dashboard, you'll see different tabs such as Visitors, Search Appearances, and Post Analytics. Start with the Visitors section to see who has viewed your profile or page. This includes details like job titles, industries, and locations of your audience. Next, go to Search Appearances to understand how often your profile shows up in LinkedIn search results and which keywords people are using to find you. Then open Post Analytics to review how your posts are performing. Here you can check metrics like impressions, likes, comments, shares, and engagement rate. If you're managing a company page, you may also see additional insights like follower growth, competitor comparisons, and content performance trends. Use these insights to understand what type of content your audience engages with the most. For example, if certain posts get higher engagement, you can create more content around similar topics or formats. You can also track changes over time to see whether your visibility and engagement are improving. LinkedIn allows you to filter data by time range, so you can compare weekly, monthly, or custom periods for better analysis. If needed, you can export some analytics data for deeper reporting and decision-making. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the LinkedIn Analytics dashboard to track and improve your performance. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn growth and career tips. See you in the next video.